Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the contains property in NetSuite and also how to use the union command that we use in SQL. Now how to utilize that command in Suite Analytics. Now let me show you with example. See here. Consider this example, select name from table 1 union select name from table 2. This is how we use in our MySQL, right? Now, since in the NetSuite, all the tables are internally connected. Now, how to use them? This is an example, select name from table 1 where name equal to X, or select name from table 2 where name equal to Y. I will show you with an example how to use this. Then, take this example, select name from table name where name like this. But there is no such facility of using this percentage sign or the ampersand sign. So we are using like this, select name from table where name contains S. Now I will show you both these examples. Now see here. First of all, let me make a duplicate of this and I will remove everything. Yes. Now see, this is a sales order. Now with this sales order, the customer record is also associated, right? Now I will take name and item from this sales order record and I will take another customer from this customer name. So in this way, we will get one customer from sales order with union the customer name from customer record also. Let me show you how it is done. First of all, this is the sales order. Now customer name I have taken here, like just take an example. I will apply this and take an item. Here I will take Apple iPad. Now there are total 8 records with this customer and item iPad. But the customer name is coming from sales order record, right? Now I will take another customer. The name will be fetched from customer. Let me show you how. First of all, I will add a new group criteria. I will add both of these inside this criteria. Now I will take another, add new group criteria. Okay. No, not here. I will take here. Now I will click on customer record. From here, customer record, I will take a company name. Company name. Company name contains ABC. The company name is ABC Enterprise, but I will just type Enterprise, ENTERP, right? And I will apply. Now this name comes from customer record. Also, now I will take the item from sales order, where item is Apple iPad. Now you will see here, just a second. There are total 47 records, but here or condition is written. Now what I will do here, and the company is TBI Group and Apple iPad. Here I will put or. And now I will put here and. Now total 16 records will be received like this. Now why I have done this, let me show you with a separate example. If you see here, if I take here only this, customer and Apple iPad, that is total 8 records. And if I duplicate this also, and then if I take ABC Enterprise with Apple iPad, you will see there are 10 records, 8 records. Customer is ABC Enterprise. And item will be, because item we will receive from sales order only, not in customer. So Apple. Here you will see 8 records, right? So TBI group with Apple iPad, 8 records. ABC Enterprise with Apple iPad, 8 records, total 16 records. But here, what I have taken, consider this example. Let me show you once again this. Table 1 contains this and customer table contains this. Now, when we take union, that means whatever the name coming from here, you will get a complete union. This Johnson will come here. Similarly, what I am going to do here, I have taken Apple iPad item, it will be received from sales order. Customer I have taken from TBI group, that is the sales order from. After that, I have taken customer, this is written here, customer, that means this is the customer record. Now the company name is coming from another table, that is the customer record. Company name contains ABC ENTERP, that means ABC Enterprise. And item, this is taken from sales order. Because here customer colon, it shows that it comes from customer record, and item before that there is nothing written, so it comes from sales order record. And means both the condition will fulfill from sales order, or here also again and company name from customer and item name from here. So in this way, when we want to fetch the table from different table using and or condition, because we are having only 2 conditions that are to be used. So in this way, we have to prepare our query. Now total there are 16 records that we fetched here. So this is how we use the union command. Once again, let's have a quick recap. Table 1 union select name from table 2. It will combine, but in Suite Analytics, we have to write the command like this. We have to provide the information also, and then with the help of, now we have to see here whether the or condition we have to take or the and condition. Here we have to take care of and or. That's it. So guys, and how to use the contains these in place of this like command, we have to use contain in Suite Analytics. So guys, this is another most important example. So keep practicing Suite Analytics, and if you have any doubt, you can note down in the comment section. I will try to satisfy your query. Until then, please do subscribe my channel and watching my videos. Keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.